Hello students, today we are going to learn a new chapter, chapter number 15, pictographs. What is meaning of pictograph? Any number which is represented by pictures is known as pictograph. A pictorial symbol of a word or phrases. When we write the number of different objects in the given group, we call it data. This data can also be represented by drawing pictures. It is called pictograph. In the park in front of my house, there are 40 rose bushes, 20 hibiscus shrubs and 30 periwinkle shrubs. I will make a table to show this using pictures. So students, every pictograph has a title which tells us what a pictograph is about. Second is pictures which tell us the given number of objects. Third, label which tell us what kind of data is shown. And fourth is scale, which is very important, which tell us the number each picture is equal to. Now let's see how we can read this pictograph of the flower from example. So students, here is the title, bushes in the park. Here number of bushes are given and these are the types of bushes. So rose is having number of 4 flowers. Hibiscus is having 2 number of flowers and periwinkle is having 3 number of flowers. But the scale tells us that one picture for 10 shrubs. So here 4 flowers we will multiply by 10. So there are 40 rose bushes which is given in the information. Same way here 2 pictures are given for hibiscus. So 2 into 10 we will get 20 hibiscus shrubs. Same way here 3 pictures are given. So 3 into 10 we will get 30 periwinkle shrubs. So this way we can learn the pictograph. Now let us solve some examples. Chairs were brought for a function in the school. Nasrin presented this information in the form of a pictorial chart. However, instead of arranging the pictures vertically, she arranged them horizontally. Let us see what this chart tells us. So here is the title, Chart of Chairs brought for the function. Type of chair, that is metal, plastic, wooden. Here number of chairs. Each type of chairs in the number which is brought. So for metal it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pictures are given for metal. Same way for plastic 8 pictures are given and for wooden 2 pictures are given. Below this chart, scale is written and scale is 1 picture means 10 chairs. So, in the second row, here is the second row, 8 pictures like this are drawn. Here plastic is the type of chair and for this 8 pictures are given. It means that there are 8 into 10 is equal to 80 plastic chairs. As the picture given here is 8, so this picture we will multiply with the scale given, that is 10. Each picture means 10 chairs. So 8 into 10 we will get the answer 80. So total number of plastic chairs are 80. Same way, a total of 15 pictures like this are drawn, which means there are a total of 15 into 10 is equal to 150 chairs. So here number of chairs are 15. This number of chairs we will multiply with the scale given, that is 10. So 15 into 10 we get the answer total number of chairs, that is 150. Same way, from this pictograph we can learn about more information. What type of chairs brought for the function? So we can see here what type of chairs are given, that is metal, plastic and wooden. So we will write the answer for it. Metal, plastic and wooden chairs are brought for the function. Second question. What is the scale given in this chart? So here is the scale given in this chart. So we will write answer. In this chart, the scale is picture of one chair means 10 chairs. As it is given here, one picture means 10 chairs. So we will write your answer. Picture of one chair means 10 chairs. Third one, which type of chairs are more brought for the function? So here types of chair is plastic, which is brought more in numbers. So we will write answer. Plastic chairs are more brought for the function. Fourth one, how many wooden chairs are brought for the function? So here wooden chair, 2 pictures are given. We will multiply first these 2 pictures with the scale, that is 2 into 10. So answer is 2 into 10 is equal to 20. So there are 20 wooden chairs brought for the function. People in a town collected aid for the flood affected. This is its pictorial representation. Here, aid given is medicine, food item, clothes, other. Number of families who helped is given here. So for medicine, 3 pictures are given. For food item, 4 pictures are given. For clothes, 2 pictures are given and others 3 pictures are given. Below it, scale is given and scale is 1 picture means 20 families. So, observing this pictograph, we will answer some questions. First one. In all, how many families gave help? So students, we will count the number of family gave help. They are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So total pictures are 12. These total pictures we will multiply by the scale given 20. So because your scale is given, one picture means 20 families. So we will multiply 12 with 20. So we will get the answer 12 into 20 is equal to 240. So we will write the answer in all 100 and so we will write the answer in all 240 families gave help. Next question. What form of help was given by the largest number of families? So we will see in the chart the number of families are 4 for food item. So we will write the answer. Food item was given by the largest number of families. Next, third question. What form of aid was given by the least number of families? So, your least number of family picture is for cloth. So, we will write the answer. Cloth was given by the least number of families. Fourth one, how many families gave help for medicine? So here for medicine number of families are 3, which we will multiply by 20. So our answer will be 3 into 20 is equal to 60. So we will write the answer 60 families gave help for medicine. Fifth question. About what this pictorial chart tells us? So our answer is this pictorial chart is about the people in a town collected aid for the flood affected. So I hope students you will enjoy this chapter. Thank you.